Thinking of renting out your property in Melbourne? Here is why hiring a professional property manager is essential. First, screening tenants is not just about choosing someone who seems nice. A professional property manager checks rental history, income, references, and credit score. A good tenant brings stable income. A bad one could cost you thousands in damages and lost rent. Second, property management involves more than collecting rent. There are routine inspections, urgent repairs, legal documents, and tenancy laws to follow. One mistake can lead to fines or legal disputes. A property manager protects your interests and ensures full legal compliance. Third, every day your property sits vacant is money lost. Managers have access to large tenant databases and marketing platforms, helping you fill vacancies faster and reduce downtime. Most importantly, managing a property takes time. Do you want to spend hours chasing tenants, calling tradespeople, and managing paperwork? Or would you prefer stress-free, passive income? A professional property manager turns your investment into a real asset, saving you time, reducing risk, and helping you earn more. Make the smart move. Let a professional manage your property so you can focus on what truly matters.